Hello everybody, my name is Schwan, and in this tutorial we're going to do short and sweet how to update your Minecraft server. So let's go ahead, hop right into it. We're in the control panel, we're under server control tab, and if you've been running a server that does not have Bukkit on it, this is extremely easy. So if you're not running Bukkit, you won't have to worry about this first area, and it should just say standard game, no mod, and that's what you want it to say. And then let's say you're running 1.4.5 and 1.4.6, which I'm going to refer to as 0.5 and 0.6. So let's say 0.6 comes out and you really want to update your server to it. All you have to do is click this drop down, click on 1.6, change the version, and restart the server. That is all you need to do to update your non-modded Minecraft server to a new version of Minecraft. Is just select the version that came out. So when 0.7 comes out, I'd do the same thing. I'd come here, click 0.7 because it would appear on this list, change version, restart the server. Okay, it's that easy. So if you don't use Bukkit, you're done. Your server's updated. Go play Minecraft. Now for the rest of you, I'm going to set up a little situation here. Okay, so go ahead and ignore what I'm doing right now. I'm just setting up a scenario. Okay. Just setting up a scenario here. Let me go ahead and restart the server. Remember, ignore this. Alright, so now you need to start paying attention. So, let's say our server is running, just like last time, it was running 0.5, but instead of no mods in 0.5, it's running Bukkit 0.5 as well. So you're using Bukkit on your server, and you want to update it to 0.6. It's not as easy as clicking 0.6 right here, changing version and restarting like we did earlier, because if you were to do that, it would break Bukkit, because if you see in the name of this Bukkit file, it doesn't support 0.6, so Bukkit would not work if you were to do that. So the thing about Bukkit is, you need to go to this webpage, and you need to find a 0.6 build. So you see the recommended build and the stable build is 0.5. However, we want 0.6, so we're going to have to go down to a beta or development build. I would recommend that you do the beta build. And I also want to keep in mind, now you should have watched please watch the previous video where I talked extensively about Bukkit, but just shortly, do not use an auto installer for Bukkit. And the reason is, if you were to use an auto installer for Bukkit, it would only install the recommended build, which in this case is 1.4.5 and is not compatible with 0.6. So it would mess you up. So don't use an auto installer. If you want to know more detail why, watch the previous video where I talked about Bukkit. But you're going to want to go to this downloads page and download 0.6 beta build. Alright. Now once you do that, we're going to go ahead and open up our FTP client. And there's a video about FTP if you haven't seen it yet. And we're going to find that beta build that we downloaded, which is right here. And then we're going to just simply drag and drop into the root directory, which is this / right here. And then we're going to upload the file, if you were to let go of it, and then it will appear right in your server, 1.4.6. So, now that we have a Bukkit version that matches the current version of Minecraft that we want to update to, we can go to the control panel, we can select that version and switch jars. Okay. So now our jar file for Bukkit is 0.6. And then we can change our game of Minecraft, our server version, to 0.6. Okay, so now this is compatible here. I don't know why that didn't go through. 0.6. Alright, so maybe change this one first. So change the bottom one to 0.6. And then change the Craft Bukkit version to 0.6, the jar. Okay, so now we have 0.6 and 0.6. And we're going to restart the server. And now our server is updated and it supports Bukkit and the new version of Minecraft. So, that's how you update your server, and that's it for this line of Minecraft tutorials. I might come out with more in the future, depending on what happens, but I'm done for now, and I hope you learned something and are enjoying your Minecraft experience with TragicServers.com.